One of these boxes has a $50,000 prize. One is empty. 40 boxes, 8 seconds each. No changing your mind. By the end, this meter reveals your gift personality. Hit subscribe, trust your gut, let's open some boxes. Stitch sofa, Hello Kitty sofa, or the mystery box. A Minion sofa, comfy pick. Takis toilet paper, Cheetos toilet paper, or the mystery roll. Oreo toilet paper, somehow worse. Can you find the odd one? Sonic lunchbox, Mario lunchbox, or something cooler. Glitter Hello Kitty. Nice. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Can you find the odd one? Fanta, Dr. Pepper, or the mystery drink. Ouch, that's a broken phone. Bad luck box. Skittles, Smarties, or open the gift. Nerds, sour surprise. Quick gut check. Like this video for the diamond box. Comment mystery if you'd risk the unknown one. Remember that broken phone? Turns out this box had a golden phone the whole time. Comment steal if you'd trade for it now, or stick if you're loyal to your pick. Woody toilet, Darth Vader toilet, or the mystery gift. A diamond toilet. Fancy. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Nike, Puma, or the mystery shoe. Designer win. Speed round. 5 boxes, 4 seconds each. Ready? Go. PS5 Pro, Bluey mirror, gold phone. Halfway through your gift personality, subscribe now so you don't miss which tier you land on. And comment your current pick streak. Pick a cup. One's a slime milkshake. Yuck. You picked it. Rabbit, cow, or the mystery pet. A penguin joins your team. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Skittles, M&Ms, or the right gift. Candy corn, divisive choice. A Ferrari, a mansion, or the mystery gift. You just won $1 million. Stitch bed, Labubu bed, or the mystery bunk bed. Squishy dumpling bed, viral pick. Which house feature do you want? A mirror portal, unexpected. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Choose your suitcase. Just see-through. Which pool? A castle pool. Royal. Live in a treehouse, a tent, or take the risk? That did not go well. Sonic iPad, Pikachu iPad, or open the gift? An iPad made of Lego. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Get a monkey or take the mystery dash? Enjoy your gold steak. Which world do you want to live in? Congrats! The Bitcoin villa is yours. Yacht, car, or the mystery gift? A golden palace, jackpot. Sapphire, ruby, or the mystery gift? Oops, should have picked the ruby. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Which room upgrade? A private cinema room. Pick your scent. Unexpectedly roomy. Where do you live now? Live in Dubai, pure luxury. Choose your animal. A dinosaur. Bold choice. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Pick your season. Eternal spring, forever. Pick your staircase. Rainbow staircase. Stylish. Pick your bed. Tough choice. That's a tomato bed. Own a villa or risk it? You unlocked the golden laptop. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Which ride? Teleportation. Ultimate win. Ring, necklace, or risk the mystery box. An incredible surprise. Which dream house? Brave enough to live here? Who's your companion? Toothless is now yours. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Fancy dinner. Pick one. Golden lobster. Fancy night. Pick your watch. Every second's an adventure now. Pick your meal. A giant feast appears. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Tech Gadget Round. You just hit the $100,000 jackpot. What are you building? A full Lego house. Final risk of the game. Ouch, nothing this time. Like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Last box. Everything comes down to this. The grand prize. You just won it all. Your meter's full, based on your picks. You're a jackpot legend. Comment your tier below. I want to see who else got this one. If you want to test your luck again, this next mystery quiz is even harder.